Hi, my friend. Nice to see you again. This is Carlos from Hunan ZLCONN Machinery Company Limited, the professional HDD machine manufacturer. Today, we will like to represent our 45-ton HDD machine. Here we are. Here is the machine. First, let me show you around of the machine. Here, the hydraulic cylinder, vice jar,
front roller seat with double flow device.
and here is the washer. You can wash the roads and wash the ground with this one.
This is the high-end rotatory cap. Let's take a look at inside. Here it is.
With integrated multifunctional joysticks and a big LCD screen.
Big meters display and AC. Very efficient and comfortable. Let's look at this side of our gorgeous 4590-ton HDD machine. We use the USA POMCO hydraulic pump. The POMCO hydraulic pump can give higher hydraulic pressure, making HDD machine more powerful even in rock condition.
And big Cummins engine.
Our model name is ZL450A 45-ton pushing with 90-ton reinforcement pulling. Our 4590-ton HDD machine is equipped with 450-liter slurry pump with a nano cylinder liner, more durable, powerful, and long lifespan. Take a look at our 4590-ton HDD machine from the back view. Let me show you this side. Stone caterpillar, thick and smooth boot. Here are the imported Sai brand model from Italy. Originally imported, big GM3 model.
And there will be 4 motors here. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 motors, the pulling force will be 90 tons. There will be 4 motors. This one is rotation motor. Rotation motor also from Italy Sai, imported, originally imported GM3 motor. How big motor they are. And this one, the semi-automatic loader for rod loading. Semi-automatic. Okay, next, let me show you the movement of the machine.